Secret Baddies. Today, there's a new update called the Backrooms update. And, I'm gonna be exploring it. And there's a random homeless dude here.
Hey! Well, because I'm homeless, I'ma go, okay?
What is that?
Yo, come here.
Okay, so,
Hey,
who
you!
is that? Alright, so first there's some chairs
You, come here,
and walls.
come here.
It's pretty cool.
Yo, jump into it.
Okay. Yo! No! What is this?
Hey guys, dang! What kind of domain extension is this shit?
Alright guys,
It's my domain.
We're gonna explore.
Yeah, see, it's a sort.
Nah, bro, you
built.
guys are stupid, bro.
This
I'm
isn't
going
even
back.
scary.
Yo, where are you? Yo, Cracker, we have to stick together. I know the way.
Juice!
Also, yeah, drink tea so you don't go insane, okay?
Oh,
But don't
so
drink
it's
them
like the
right now.
almond water?
Yeah. Come on, Cracker!
So we just go through. What is that?
It's me. Okay, come on.
Bro. This doesn't look
Hey,
scary.
follow me, Cracker, follow me.
Yo, this is sick.
Really?
Oh, wait, no!
It's okay.
Where did you go?
Okay, come on.
Wait, I found something.
What?
Up here, come up here. Never mind. There's more light.
No, we have to find a door that's not on the wall. Okay, follow me.
Wait, I found something.
What?
No, I didn't. It's just tape. These ones might have it.
It's like it. Cracker? Okay, the thing that we're looking for is like a door that's right here.
On the ground.
Yeah.
Okay, the devs cooked on this one.
Oh, I found it.
Okay. No. Oh no. What?
Up, and away. See ya.
Is this a
Listen,
good time to
no,
mention
over there, right? It's gonna be scary because there's a flesh-eating monster. Oh yeah, you cooked.
Oh!
Come on.
Okay, so as you can see, that went really bad. Well, we're gonna go back in again. Well, with weapons. Yes?
Yes. Come on.
Whee!
Did you go, really? Oh, fuck. No. Oh, we're at the exit, but come on.
Oh, we finished?
Yeah. Kind of sad. But...
Yeah, I'm getting a gun out.
Get one, you get one.
I'm right behind you, honey. Was that the wind?
I'm not trying to have that fucking creepy crawly thing after me.
I don't like this game. I don't like this game.
Okay! Now, this is gonna be a monster and it's gonna be a butt ton of tape. Wait, Quacker!
Wait, is this the final level?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
What?
fine.
Well, I think so.
They should have made the final level level run. Is everything red for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just trying to find the place where... Well,
Oh!
I guess this way.
Arrow. Yeah, I guess we should go here. Oh, you tricked
Guess
us.
not that way. Oh, yes, we found it.
Should we enter?
You heard that? Do you hear that? Okay, there's gonna be a
Yes.
flesh-eating monster. The back door! It's in... coming. It's indestructible. You can't kill it. Oh, you hear that, right? Yeah? Oh! Oh!
No! I hate this! No!
It's coming!
Run! Go, go, go! Oh, no! Here!
Where?
Oh, other way! Go!
Fuck! You said Cracker? Cracker! Come on! Cracker, where did you go?
Oh no! There's no escape!
There is?
No!
Oh shit!
Run! Oh!
Fuck it.
In here!
Yes! Okay, get the tape! Oh, I took get the tape, actually.